Good morning all, welcome to our channel. Today we'll solve a 4-star Sudoku in today's Hindu. Uh, we'll start with the top three boxes, whether any two numbers appearing in the same box, as we have three in the first and second, but second box we don't have. But so this bottom row and top row we cannot have three, but three can be filled in these three cells, so we will see that later. Similarly, we cannot have four in this row as well as in this row, because 4 is already appearing in both of the boxes cells. So these three cells can have 4. We will solve it later. Then we'll move to the second three boxes. We have 4 in the top row and in the middle row, but these two cells can have 4, so we will see that later. And 5 is there in the bottom row, and in the middle row only cell left is here, right? 5 in this cell. 4 is appearing in this row and this row, so 4, but this we have already checked. Any other? 8 in the middle row and the bottom row, and this column also we cannot have 8, but these two cells can have 8, so we will solve that later. 3, this top row and the bottom row we cannot have 3, but these three cells can have 3. We will solve that later. Similarly, 8, this row and this row we cannot have 8, but these two cells can have 8, so we will solve that later. So all 9 boxes row wise we have checked. Now we'll solve 9 boxes column wise. First we'll solve these 3 boxes. We have 9 in this box and this box. Only box left is here, but this, so 9 cannot come in this column, and this column only space left is here. Write 9 there. So any other number? 4 appears in all 3 boxes. 7, this column and this column we cannot have, but 7 can be filled here or this cell, so we will solve it later. Next we'll move on to the next 3 boxes. 2 is there. This column and this column we cannot have, but these 3 cells can have 2, so we will solve that later. 8, this column and this column and this column we cannot have 8, but these 3 cells can have 8, so we will solve that later. 4, these 3 boxes. 4, this column we cannot have this cell also, but 4 can be filled here or this cell, so we will solve it later. 1 we cannot have this column and this column, only cell left is this, right? 1 there. Any other number? So column wise all 9 boxes we have filled, and row wise all 9 boxes we have checked. Now third step is we will go maximum number filled row wise boxes. Okay, this we have 3 numbers: 4, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. So only 4 numbers filled are the maximum numbers filled in row wise. We will see the column wise. 3, 4, here we have 5 numbers are filled, so only 4 numbers to be checked. What are they? 1, 2, 6, 8. 1, 2, 6, 8. 5 numbers are here, only 4 numbers to be checked. So 2 and 8 are there in this row, so missing number 1, 6. Here 1 and 8 are there, so missing numbers 2, 6. Here 1, 2, 6, 8. No, all 4 numbers are not there, so write all the 4 numbers. Here we have 6 and 8, so missing number 1, 2. Okay, after filling, check any other matching pair, any triplets, any odd numbers appearing. Yes, in this if we check, the odd one out is in this cell 8, because 8 cannot appear in this box. 8 is already in this cell. Similarly, there is nothing to be filled. Here we already have 8 in this row, so only odd one out is this, and 8 is the odd number. So delete this and write 8 in this cell. 8 is filled here. Now we'll see the other column. We have 4, 4, 3. Okay, column wise, row wise, maximum numbers we have checked. Only this column we had 5, so filled 4 numbers. So we'll see the box. Here we have 4, 4, 3. Here we have 5 numbers filled. So 4 numbers to be checked. What are they? 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Here we all 4 numbers are missing. So write all 4 numbers here. 1, 2, 5, 6. And here 1 is there. So 2, 5, 6. Here 6 is there. So 1, 2, 5. After filling, just check any odd matching triplets are there. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6. Nothing. So okay, box wise also we have checked. So we have 4 numbers only maximum available. So first we'll clear this box. 4 numbers are there, 5 numbers to be filled. What are they? 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. Okay, so in this row we have 2. So 2 cannot be repeated in this cell. This also nothing else. So 1, 5, 6, 8 are the numbers. Either 1 or 5 or 6 or 8 can come in this cell. This cell 2 is there. So 2, so 1, 5, 6, 8. Now 2 is there in this row and 8 is there in this column. So 2 and 8 cannot come. So write 1, 5, 6. Here we have 1 is there in this row. So 2, 5, 6, 8. And this cell we have to write all 5 numbers. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. Because nothing is appearing in this row or that column. This cell we have 8. 8 in this column. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2 or 5, 6 can come in that cell. Okay, this is over. Now we will see this row, only this cell to be filled. We have 4 numbers, 5 numbers to be filled. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. All other cells are filled. Only this cell to be filled. So 5 is already there in this box. 5 cannot be repeated. 1 is there in this row. So 1 cannot be repeated. So 2, 3, 6 can come in this cell. 2 or 3 or 6 can come in this cell. Okay. Then we'll solve this box. 4 numbers are there. 5 numbers to be checked. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the numbers. 2 is there in this row. So 6 is there in this column. 2, 6 cannot be repeated here. So write 5, 7, 8. This cell 6 is there and 6, 2, 5, 7, 8. This cell 2 and 8. So 5, 6, 7. This cell 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So 2, 5, 6. This cell 5. Only 5 is appearing in this. So 5 cannot be repeated. 2, 6, 7, 8. After filling, just check any odd triplet. 2, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then we'll go to this box. 4 are there, 5 to be checked. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. 5 numbers. Na? So here this row we have 4 and 9. So 1, 3, 6. This cell similarly 4 and 9. Write 1, 3, 6. This cell 4 only there in this row, so it cannot be repeated. Write 1 3 6 9. This row 1 is there, that's all. So 3 4 6 9 can come. This row 1, same, 1 is there, so 3 4 6 9. After filling, check, no, nothing. So then we'll move on to this. Box. 4 are there, 5 to be checked. 2 4 5 7 9. 5 numbers are missing. Here 9 is there already. 4 is there in this. 4 and 9 are in the column, same column. So 2 5 7 can come in this cell. Similarly here 5 and 9. 5 here and 9 here. So 2 4 7. Here 7 is there and 5 is here. 5 7. So 2 4 9. 4 is also in this row, so 9. Right? 5 in the column cannot come. 5 in the same column cannot come. 4 and 7 in the same row. So 2 9 are the numbers. Here 4 and 9. 4 and 9. So 2 5 7. Here 5 only cannot come. 5 is there in this column. So 2 4 7 9. Okay. Now we'll see this column. We have 4 numbers, only 5 to be checked. What are they? 2 3 5 6 7. So these 2 cells only to be filled. 7 5 and 7 are there in this row, so 2 3 6 should come. Oh, only one cell to be fixed. Okay, just check any 3. So 3 is the odd number in this column. This column we have 3. Just check. Here 3 is there in this box, so 3 cannot come. 3 is there in this. 4 and 1 is already filled. So here only 3 is the odd number. So write 3 in this cell. If this is 3, this 2 becomes, remove 3 from that cell, from those cells. So remove 3 from those cells and write 1 6 1 6. So these 2 becomes matching pairs. Okay. So only these. So if we see this row, only these 2 cells to be filled. And since 1 6 1 6 are the matching pairs, this cannot be repeated. Only these 2 cells to be filled. What are the missing numbers? 1 is there in a matching pair, it cannot be repeated. 2 3 is there. 4 5 6 2 and 8. 2 and 8. So write 2 8 2 8. If 2 8 2 8 becomes matching pair of this box. So only these 2 cells to be, no, these 3 cells to be filled. So 1 2 is there in the 3 4 5 6 7 9 are the missing numbers of this box. Now we'll solve this row. Okay, the missing numbers are 4 numbers are there, 2 3 9 7. The missing numbers are 1 4 5 6 8. 5 numbers are missing. We have 2 8 in this column. So 1 4 5 6. fill 1 4 5 6. Similarly, this column we have 2 3 8. So only 8 cannot be repeated here. So write 1 4 5 6. In this cell we have 5, only 5. So write 1 4 6 8. After filling, check 4 5 6 6 8 5 8 1 5 6 8. Okay, this is filled, this is okay, this is okay. We'll solve this column, row 1 4 5 6 7. This we don't have any of the numbers, so write all 5 numbers here, 1 4 5 6 7. Here we have the same problem, we don't have any of the numbers, so write all 1 4 5 6 7. Here we have 5 and 7 in this column, so we cannot be, that numbers cannot be repeated, so the 1 4 6. Okay, so check this row, any odd one? No. Then we'll solve this row. 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are there, only 4 to be checked. 1 3 5 7. 1 3 5 7. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 4 numbers to be checked. 3 is there na, so 3 cannot come. 1 3 5 7 9. 1 5 7 9 are the numbers, so 1 5 7 9 are the numbers to be filled. So this cell we don't have any of the numbers, so write all numbers 1 5 7 9. Here we have 5 and 7 are there in the column, so 1 and 9 to be filled. After filling, check the row. 1 5 7 9, nothing, so all cells are filled. Now we have to solve. Okay, this becomes triplet. First we'll come from this 6 8. This we have 6 in this row, so this cannot, there 6 cannot come in the same row, so 1 8 9, remove 6 from that cell. Here similarly, here 6 cannot come, so 1 5 7 9. Here also 6 cannot come, remove 6, write 1 5. Here 2 1 5 8. 1 5 8. If you see this becomes triplet. 1 5 5 8 1 5 8. All three numbers comes in this, no? So this becomes triplet. So these three numbers cannot appear in any of the cell in other boxes in the same row. So remove 1 5 from that and write 7 9 in this cell. Similarly here, any 8 cannot come in this. 1 and 8 cannot come, so because 1 8 is there, 9 only should come. 1 8 in this 1 8 is there in this triplet, so 1 8 cannot come in any of the cell, so this becomes 7. If this is 9, this becomes 7. So if that is 9, this will be 4. If that is 4, this will become 9. Okay, so if that is 9, this becomes 1. So 1 and 4 is there in the same column, so 1 4 6, we will get only 6. If that is 6, this will be, remove 6 from that and write 3, 8. 3, 8. Here we have 4 and 6. 4 is there in the column, 6 is there in the column, 1 is there. So 1, 4, 6 is there in this column. So 1, 4, 6 cannot come. Write the balance number 8. If that is 8, this becomes 3. That is 3. These two becomes matching pair. 5, 6, 5, 6. 5, 6, 5, 6. If 5, 6, 5, 6 means these two cannot come in any of the other cells in this box. Remove 5, 6, then it becomes 1, 4, 1, 4. So 1, 4, 1, 4 becomes matching pair. This is 8. So this becomes 5. If that is 5, this becomes 8. If that is 8, this becomes 1, 5. So 1, 5, 1, 5 becomes matching pair of this box. So 5 cannot come here. So remove 5 from that cell and write 6, 8. Similarly, 1, 5. Remove 1, 5 from this cell and write 6, 8. 8 is there already in the same row. Remove 8 and write 6. If that is 6, this becomes 8. Okay. If that is 6, this will become, remove 6 from that cell and write 1, 5. So 1, 5, 1, 5 becomes matching pair in this box. So 5 cannot come in this cell. So write 6. If that is 6, remove 6 from this. So 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. Similarly, remove 6 from this. Write 3 is there already. So instead 5, 9 should come. 3, 5, 9. 3 is already there. So 5, 9. Here 3, 5, 9. 3, 9 already there. So 2, 6 should come. And 6 is already in that row. So only 2 should come. 9 is there in the same row. So 9 cannot be repeated. So it should be 5. So 5 and 9 already there in the same row. So this should become 3. Okay. So here we have 1, 7 in that column. So 1, 7 cannot come. So write 5, 9. 5 is there in that box. So the left number is 9. 1, 5, 7, 9 are the numbers in this cell. 1 is already there. 1 and 5 already there in the box. 7 is in the same column. So 9 should come. If that is 9, 1 is already there in the row. So this should be 5. That is 5. This becomes 7. That is 7. This becomes 5. If that is 5, this becomes 1. If that is 1, this becomes, this column, if we check, we have 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 to be filled in this cell. So 1 we have, 5 we have, 6 we have. So 4, 7 to come in this cell. Similarly, here 1, 5, 6. So 1 for 1 is there now. So 5, 6, 1. So 4, 7. So these two becomes matching pair. This column we already have 4 in this cell. So here 4 cannot, 7 cannot come. 7 is there already in the column, so 7 cannot be repeated in the same column. So write 4 here, and if that is 4, this will become 7. So these 3 boxes are completed. And if this is 4, this will become 1. 4 cannot be repeated. So if that is 1, this will become 4. If this is 1, this is 6. If that is 6, this will be 1. And if this is 6, this same 6 cannot come in the same column. So remove 6 from that cell, write 5. If that is 5, this will be 6. Just check all numbers are filled up. Difficult one, we have filled it easily. So all 81 cells are filled successfully. So today's Sudoku is completed. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.